What is up, guys? It's Dawson here. We got out of practice early today, so me and Nate are gonna go hit up a couple ponds from the bank, see if we can't get into some fish. So I'm gonna go meet Nathan at the lake right now, and probably not gonna record at the first pond. We're just gonna be there for like 10 minutes, but after that we're gonna go to another pond, and I'll probably turn on the camera there. So that's probably where you'll see me next. See you there. Well, guys, we're out here from the bank. Haven't even made an intro yet. And this little kid over there just caught a fish. Nice one, dude. That kid's a stud. Oh, got him. Got him. I saw that. Dang, fight him. I know. Yeah, I saw your line. There's one. There's one. Oh, it's a good one. Pretty good one. Get in the boat. Yeah.
Nice big.
Oh, yeah. That's the second bite in like 4 casts. Let me get my scale. Oh, he barely popped out. The side right there. That's a good one right there. Probably almost 3.
Skinny.
Yeah. 3 pounds, 1 ounce. All right. First fish of the day. Going in the water. First fish of the day for me. Nathan already has 2 little ones. There she goes. Oh, that one came on a little white chatterbait. Just straight retrieving it pretty much, just popping a couple pops every once in a while. That's the second bite I've had in like 5 casts probably. No, you didn't cut him in half. All right, we've been so desperate to catch a fish that we just dug up a little grub. That stinks. Earthworm, grub thing, I don't know. We're gonna try to catch a bluegill with it.
The rig I'm using here is a specialty. Not many people know this rig. What you do, you have a hook down here, bait holding hook really. Get a little earthworm on there, a couple split shots, and up here about 1 foot you got a bobber. It's very special. I came up with that one myself.
How many people in the world know about this rig?
Probably just me and my friends.
Yep. It's a select few that know that rig. You got one? You got one. You got a little bluegill? Look at that. That is how you do it right there. Look at that.
That's big in my palm. Cut him up and use a catfish bait.
Do it. That right there is what we're going to use to catch a catfish. What do you say? There he goes. Casting it out for the trophy catfish out there. We don't even know if there's catfish in here, but.
Oh, look.
Oh, I see it. Let him take it. I got it. He got it. Keep it on. Is it still on? Do you want me to land him?
Is it turtle?
So we live lined the bluegill and he just caught
What is it?
a catfish or something. We don't know what it is. You want me to get it? Keep him on, keep him on. What do you want me to do? Get in the boat, get in the boat!
That is a fat cat.
Get in
Right in
the
side of
boat.
his mouth.
Lip it with pliers. Oh, he did it.
I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna get the lip ripper.
This is awesome. So let me just explain this whole process again. We're bass fishing, and we are not catching a thing. Or we caught some in the beginning, and then the bite just died all of a sudden after the rain. So he got bored and was like, let's catch a bluegill. And we caught a bluegill. We found a little earthworm and then caught a bluegill with it. And then we cut up the bluegill. It was a little bitty bluegill, like that big. And we cut it up, used the meat as bait to catch a catfish, and we're gonna see.
Caught this catfish. Almost 3-pound catfish.
Almost a 3-pounder. Nice. God, he's so mad.
There he goes.
That's pretty
how
cool.
you do it right there.
He getting hit? Let him have it. You got it. He got it. Dude, is that a better one? It's jumping. Is that a bass? No way it's a bass. I don't know. It's a pretty big fish. It looked like it was big at first.
Feels like the other one was like 20 minutes. This one's like extra 5.
It looks like a bass.
It is a bass.
It's a bass.
Is it a bass?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a bass.
He caught a little bass on a bluegill. Go, come on.
Nice little pounder, probably a pound and a half.
It's technically cheating because it was live bait, but
It's not
Hey,
what we were trying to do, but
not what we were looking for. But hey, we'll take a bass even if it's a little bit on the cheating side.
Can't blame us, okay? Because we weren't trying to do that.
Yeah, we weren't even. No hate on the catching the bass on the live
I'd say it's like a pound.
on the live bait because that was not where you're going. It's really fat.
Yeah.
2-pounder.
2-pounder. He's pretty fat, so I figured
Yeah.
it'd be.
Pretty chunky little fish. Pretty cool. The GoPro lighting's not very good.
Nice little 2-pounder right here. It's pretty fat.
On the live
live.
live bait or
cut up bluegill.
yeah, cut up bluegill that we caught using a worm. I want the little topwater chatterbait. I got it. Dude, I saw that happen. I was burning it on the top.
What is it?
It was a bass. I was literally
What'd you catch it on?
a chatterbait. I was like throwing it right under the water. I mean, right, like I see the chatterbait and I saw the bass just go
That's a male.
That was so cool.
That was fat.
right in the roof of the mouth. That is a fat old fish right there. Dang. We just started. The bite just turned on. It's probably a
Probably
2.5. Yeah, a little over 2 probably. Well, I hope I could get that on video. I was burning it right under the surface, like. Oh wow. Come on, calm down. Calm down. $2.10. Yep. All right, back in the water she goes. Not a very long fish, but really fat.
It's got a small mouth.
Yeah. Going in the water. There she goes. Well, that's gonna be it, guys. How do you feel about your idea to catch a catfish?
Worked out well. Worked out a lot better than I thought it would. But first catfish I caught in a long time. So
All right, we're gonna pick up everything and make an outro. Guys, we're just getting out the water. Had a pretty good day out here. It was a fun day. We went to a little lake. I didn't record there, but he caught one little one. We were there for like 10 minutes, and then we came here and went to one spot, and Only caught one, I think. You caught one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I caught one.
Little.
One little one, and then we went to the dam. Caught a couple bass on crankbaits. Or no, chatterbaits. And then we got bored and decided to try to catch some bluegill. And we caught some catfish with the bluegill. So it was a pretty fun day.
And a bass.
And a bass with the bluegill, yeah. And he did all that, which it was pretty fun. Pretty fun day. Hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. That's it.
That's it.
The Outdoorsman signing out.